so that's how we get going with Same Old Song and Dance by Aerosmith. We got an E power chord. We have a slight bend on the big 3 there, the G note. To the 2 on the A string. And then we hit the A and the D strings twice at the same time. So we got... And then hit that 2 again on the A. We kind of go D to A to a little bend on the big 3. Back to the E, and then E bass note. We have 2 of these E power chords, 7, 9, 9, starting on the A string. So we got... Okay, so that's how we get started. Now you could also, when you're doing that D to A to 3 down there after the... You could also get kind of raunchy and go A and D, and then E and A. Okay, so you can kind of mix it up with that. I kind of wrote it both ways on the tab, so check out the tab for sure on this one. This is going to be rhythm only in this lesson, no leads on this lesson. So we got... Okay, and then the guitar solo starts. We're going to have the same type of riff. We'll just do the E power chord a couple times. So 3, 4, 1. And then like the alternate time, it'll go 0, 3, 0. Instead of just doing like a couple of E power chords. So from the solo section, it kind of goes, and we come in like after the 1, right? So it's like 2, 3, 4, 1. So that third time, you kind of pop into those chords again. Now we're going to have a couple of E bass notes at the end of that last one. We got G, G, A, A. C down here to D. Then we got big F to G. We got our A power chord. And we wait for 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, C, D. Okay? So at the end of that, we got the... Okay, so when we finish that, we are going to come in on the 1 on that E power chord. Just power chords that time. Now this next time, we're going to hit that kind of part of that raised 9 chord. We're going to hit the 7 and the 8, 7 on the G string, 8 on the B string. We have 2 hits on that and kind of slide it down. And then the verse begins. Now the verse is going to be like a rest. You can kind of hit a little E bass in there. I didn't write that in the tab, but it's kind of optional, you know. So you're going to have rest, E, D, D, and then 8 on the second, 7 on the third, and 7 on the fourth. Back to the E power chord. So we got rest. You did a couple bass notes there. We're going to repeat this thing 4 times. So one of the guitars is kind of pedaling and the bass is kind of pedaling the E and not really doing much for the chords, but you can kind of put those 2 parts together and get like a 3, 4, rest. This is the first chorus. We're going G to A and C to D, and then we're going back to the E riff. So we do that again, then we go back to E. And then we go We got one of those again. So we don't have the extra F to G and A and C to D, all that on this first chorus. So it's going to go. Right into another verse. Chorus. Now this time, we're going to add that F to G to A. One, two, C, D. Then we're back to the E riff. And then we have the bridge. It's going to be like a B power chord, 2, 4, 4. We're going to go down to the A bass, and then big 3 by itself. Back to that chord with 0, 4, 4. So 3, 4. Okay, so we did that 7 times. Now in this 8th measure here, this 8th bit of this, we're going to go. So it's 2 to 4, 5. This is on the A string, so it's B, C sharp, D, and then D sharp to E. So it's. And then we're back into our. So let's look at that bridge again. We got 2, 3, 4. So we'll do that 4 times, and then we're going to be into the bridge again for the sax solo. So let's try the bridge together. 7 times, and then then we'd be back to E riffs. Okay, so bridge, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. And that's how we get, so 2 riffs of that, we get back into another verse. Okay, then we have the longer. Now this actually starts putting in that little. All right, same old song and dance, Aerosmith. Hope you dug that. Talk to y'all soon.